The Ukrainian drone army can stop any Russian vehicle, even if it's modified with the great crab cage, cope cage. As seen here, a T-72B3 tank running over a breach gets struck by a Ukrainian FPV drone. While the tank keeps going, it seems unable to steer as it crashes later on, letting the crew to abandon the tank. As we can see, Ukrainian drone army can keep hitting the tank until it's completely destroyed, taking out another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.